4th and 5th graders. We are learning about optical illusions. Optical illusions are works of art that play tricks on your eyes. I'm going to show you a lot of examples in the next few weeks, but today we're just going to dig in and have fun. So you need to get out a pencil and a ruler if you have one, and I will pass out some papers. Then I'm going to show you exactly what to do. Alrighty, hopefully we are all ready to go. So we are going to put a little dot in the middle of our paper. Then we're going to use our ruler to make lines. We want about 4 or 5 sections across to the bottom, so you don't want them too skinny, but you don't want them too big either. You want them almost the same size, but they don't have to be exact. You don't have to measure them out. This paper is a little crooked. Sorry. I won't mess it up though. Okay, so I don't like how little this one is compared to this one, so I'm going to erase this real quick. Remember, draw light until you know it's right. So then you don't have all that. Okay. So next we are going to do an illusion where the pencils, color pencils, will look like they are popping out. This one's not finished, obviously, but I'll show you how to color it in to make it look like it's popping. Obviously it's flat. There's no real color pencils on here, but we're gonna make it look that way. So now we're gonna start with the lead, and I'm just gonna go and do a little bumpy line. The first one I did a perfect circle and I didn't like it. It didn't really look realistic enough to me. So there's my lead, and then I'm gonna do another bumpy line from line to line, and this is gonna be where the wood meets the color of the pencil. Oops, being less sloppy than that, please. So right now it doesn't look like anything but a couple bumpy circles, like a couple clouds inside with some rays going off of it. So now in second and third grade, you learned how to color using pressures. We did our value scales. So remember, on the outsides, we're gonna press really hard. So that should be like an 8 or a 7. In the middle, it's gonna be like a 1 or a 2. And then on the edge, again, it's gonna be a 7 or 8. So then you just want to make sure as you're coloring in that you don't have it flat going across the entire way, and you don't want 8 and then 1. You need to go 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 all the way across. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to the other side. And then just keep adding a little lead to the pencil or to the paper until it looks exactly like it is popping out. Go slower than me, because if you go fast, it will get into other spaces. then you're gonna do the same thing for the color. So now I am doing a green pencil next to my red one. So I'm coloring that all in. And then whatever color you put on the inside, you have to put on the outside because that's how color pencils work. And we want these to look kind of real to make the illusion pop and to be believable. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There it is. Switch some colors and try again.